Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic of presentation is Plan International. My name is Dr. Muhammad Umar Tariq, and this presentation I am going to present to Dr. Naseem Ilyas. These are my contents. That was what is Plan International, what is the history behind it, funding and accountability, Plan International in Pakistan. First of all, what is Plan International? Plan International is an independent development and humanitarian organization which is working in 71 countries across the world, in Africa, the America and Asia to advance children's rights and equality for girls. Plan International is one of the world's largest organizations working for children's rights and gender equality. In 2016, Plan International reached around 17.1 million girls and 15.5 million boys through its programming. So basically, Plan International is an independent organization which is working around 71 countries. These are the following countries like Africa, America, Asia, which is working for the gender equality basically, like equality for girls and boys also. Plan International focuses on children protection, that for the protection of the children, not only their protection but education, their participation, economic security, emergencies, health and sexual reproductive health and rights, and water sanitation. Plan International provides training in disaster preparedness, response and recovery, and has worked on relief efforts in countries including Haiti, Colombia and Japan. Plan International also sponsors the Because I Am a Girl. It is basically a campaign for the girls, which is envisioned as a global movement to ensure girls everywhere can learn, lead, decide and thrive. So what is the history behind it? Plan International was founded in 1937. It was founded after the Spanish Civil War by the British journalist named as John Langdon Davis and aid worker Eric Muggeridge. The organization was founded with the aim. What are the aims? The aims are to provide food to them, to provide accommodation, to provide education to the children who lives had like whose lives was disrupted by the Spanish Civil War. In 1930s, Plan International was founded as Foster Parent Plan for the Children in Spain. In 1940s, during World War II, the organization became known as Foster Children from all over Europe. After the war, Plan International extended aid to children in France, Belgium, Italy, Netherlands, Germany, Greece and brief in Poland and China as well. In 1950s, as Europe recovered, after the Europe recovered, Plan International gradually moved out when Europe recovered to these countries and opened new programs in less developed countries. It became Foster Parent Plan to reflect the goal of bringing lasting change to the life in children in need, whatever their circumstances. In 1960s, Foster Parent Plan extended its work to countries in South America and Asia as well. In 1962, United States First Lady Jacqueline Kennedy was honorary chairwoman during Plan's Silver Jubilee. So, in 1970s, in 1974, the global name became Plan International as program New Spain, South America, Asia and Africa. In 1980s, Belgium, Germany, Japan and the UK joined Canada, the United States, Australia and the Netherlands as donor countries. So these countries were become now donor countries. Plan International was recognized by the United Nations Economic and Social Council. In 1990s, Plan International offices opened in France, Norway, Finland, Denmark, and Sweden, and the Republic of Korea. So now the work of Plan International is become extended to many more countries, as we discussed before. In 2000, the name Plan International evolved and unified global identity was created to help make the organization more easily recognized around the world, and the logo was updated. In 2017, Plan International launched a new international global strategy 2070 to 2022, which places as an added emphasis on working with girls. The traditional blue logo was updated. So, what are the funding and accountability? Plan International income comes from the supporters who sponsor children. So basically, where income come from? The income come from the supporters who who are willing to sponsor the children, and the remainder is raised through donations and grants. An average of 77% of the money goes directly to supporting Plan International development and humanitarian work. The remainder is spent on fundraising initiatives and maintaining an international network of supporting staff. Plan International publishes annual reports detailing its fundraising and spending activity. The organization receives funding to implement grants from a range of multilateral institutions which were situated in different countries like United Kingdom, named as Department of International Development. Another country like Australia, named as Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade. In Sweden, named as the Swedish International Development Cooperation Agency, and in America, named as United States Agency of International Development, and other multilateral agencies. Plan International adheres to several international standards and quality assurance mechanisms, including the International Non-Governmental Organization, named as INGO, Commitment to Accountability Character, and the Code of Conduct for the International Red Cross and Red Crescent Movement, and NGO in disaster relief. Plan International also work in Pakistan as well. So what is the contribution? Basically, what kind of work they are doing in Pakistan? Let's discuss. Pakistan is one of the 50 program countries in which Plan operates. Plan International operations in Pakistan commenced in 1997, and the organization currently implement program in the district of Chakwal, Wihari, Rajanpur, Rahim Yar Khan, Laya, Multan, and Bahawalpur. Muzaffargarh in Punjab, Noshera, Charsada, Mardan, Diyai Khan, Swabi, Peshawar, Haripur in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Thatta, Hyderabad, Badin, Kashmir, Sangad, Ghodki, and Khairpur in Sindh, Ziyarat, Jafarabad, and Nasirabad in Balochistan, Gilgit, Astur, Hunzanagar, Ganchi, Skardu, and Khizar in Gilgit Baltistan, and Neelam Bagh and Kahota in Azad Jammu Kashmir. In addition, Plan Pakistan also work in the squatter settlement of Islamabad, the capital city of Pakistan. Plan International Pakistan is actively engaged in disaster risk reduction and its management, and has played an important role in saving the life during 2005 earthquake, and remain actively engaged in providing response to the population affected by 2010 super flood and 2011 floods as well. So basically, Plan International contributed of the natural disasters like earthquake, floods in 2005, 2010, and 2015. Yeah. Program strategy. The following 5 programs are being implemented in the operational areas of Plan Pakistan. What are the strategies? Like creating an enabling environment for good governance, like to create the good environment for the children and for the uh, people who were affected by the natural disasters as well. Improving access to better quality education, like also to improve the quality of education for them, improving right to health and health services as well, creating sustainable livelihood opportunities, mainstreaming child center disaster risk management also. So this was all about the work of Plan International. Thank you so much.